Do you want to make an extra $500 a day? What about 1,000 or even 2,000? Listen, I understand. I do too. But listen, I'm going to talk to you about digital marketing. And if you're a beginner and you're not quite sure how this digital marketing works, I'm here for you to help you out. So today, we're going to dive into the digital and exciting world of done for you digital products. If you're looking for a way to make money easy, this video is for you. The process is easy. So by the end of this episode, you'll know why selling done for you digital products is a fantastic opportunity, especially for beginners. So let's get into it. Let's talk about what is done for you digital products. Essentially, it is pre-made digital products that you can sell under your own brand. So it could be something like ebooks, courses, templates, planners, calendars, or any digital content that's ready to go. Just you already made, you do not have to make it from scratch. You don't have to create anything. You just go ahead and sell it. And it makes it the perfect option for those who are brand new to digital marketing. All right. So here are some of the key points for selling done for you digital products. The setup is so easy. You don't need any special skills or large investment to start. Simply purchase and acquire a high quality digital product that you can sell immediately. That's what I love about it, immediately. So also a key point is solving problems. Focus on digital products that solve a common problem. So this increases the value of that product and it appeals to more potential customers. Think about ebooks on personal finance, templates for social media marketing, or courses on time management. So if you're solving a problem, you can niche down with your digital products. Now, it's also a key point is income goals. You can set your income goals. You can establish how much you want to make per month. So for example, if you aim to make $2,000 a month and the product that you're selling, the digital product costs $20, therefore you will need to sell at least 100 units of that $20 product. And that's how you're going to get your $2,000 a month. Okay. Another key point is social media marketing. And I would always say create social media accounts on platforms where you know your target audience spends the most of their time. So most people say 2 to 3 platforms, but as a beginner, it's okay. I suggest at least 2 platforms to start consistently posting and engaging is very crucial when you're building up your social media for your digital product. So focus on the 2 platforms, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or wherever that you normally would post. Just make sure you have a solid presence. Okay. Now, setting up your online store, you'll need an online store or a website to sell your products. Platforms like Spotify, Etsy, Stand Store, Beacons, System.io, that, or you can just build your own website. That will be where it houses your digital products, okay? Because you want to send them somewhere, your potential customers somewhere to purchase your products. Now, payment plans. Once you have that set up, you want to make sure you partner with a merchant that allows flexible payment options. This can attract more customers who prefer, paying installments. You can connect with, say, for instance, Stripe or Square, and there is a firm you can make a payments. There is Afterpay and there's Klarna. So you make sure that you turn that option on for your merchant that you choose. Also, content creation. This is one of the definitely key points. When you're creating content for your digital products, this is the key. This is the rule. Make sure it is at least 30 days designated, consecutive days designated to posting 3 times a day. Okay. You want to go ahead and get in front of the people, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your products. You can utilize tutorials, testimonials, you can do behind the scene content just to keep things interested. But you want to make sure you're consistent 3 times a day for 30 consecutive days. This is really going to boost your algorithm as well. Now, track your results. You need to know what is going on. Use the tools to monitor your sales, whatever platform that you're using. You want to make sure that you adjust your strategies based on what's working. And if it ain't working, you need to know that so you can change it. But it is working. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Just keep going, okay? So here are some of the benefits for starting for beginners. Listen, to get into digital marketing, first of all, I thought I needed a college education. I needed like to go to college and major in digital marketing because I just heard digital marketing. And since I'm not a techie person and I'm not all about the computers and all of this, I just really had a block. My mindset was it was really something really big that I really couldn't touch, or I would need to go to school. But it's not that way. And that's why I want to do this. And I want to break this down for you so you can see it is something that you can get in as a beginner. It doesn't matter if you have a techie side or not. You don't need any skills. You don't need any experience. Brand new. I had no clue of how digital marketing worked until I got into it and started learning it. Listen, the low barrier to entry was the main key point for me because I didn't have to spend a lot of money. I did not have to spend a lot of money to learn this. I just bought the course and learned as I went. And with the minimum investment and not having any tech skills, this is why it really works for beginners. You can begin selling and you can see a quick return in no time. And I love this part because when I started, my first 3 days, I made $2,000. So that was just like, what? Because I've heard about digital marketing all over social media, and I think I was afraid to get into it. But then when I made that 2K in my first 3 days, I was like, this is real. This is real. Everyone needs to know this. So jump in it. You're a beginner. It's okay to be don't be scared or have fear or be afraid, but just jump in and know that you can do it. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay. So another benefit is flexibility. Listen, we all busy, and I will call myself the president of team do too much because listen, I do it all. So I want you to know you can be flexible. You can work from anywhere, anytime. So this makes a great side gig or something that you want to do and try to put money away for a special vacation. Or listen, the kids is out of school for summer and they're eating you out of house and home, extra money to help to help them or send them to a camp. You can do that too, but it's really flexible that you can work with your own schedule. It's not something that you just have to work a certain hour. So that is definitely a benefit that's going to work for a lot of people based on their schedule. Listen, and another one, scalability. You can scale this business as much as you possibly want to. As you gain experience and your business grows, you can expand your product range. So you can start with one product, whether it's $100 product or a $50 product or a $500 product. Sell that one and then get your groove on, get it going, right? And then you're going to know what you need to add to your product. So if you start with one, you was like, okay, as you go, oh, I need to have another digital product to complement this one. And especially if you have a target audience that you want to sort of niche down to, you want to make sure that you have that, because you can significantly increase your income potential when you start adding your digital products. Okay, I started with digital bundles, and then I added a digital course, and in that digital course I began to learn so many different things, that all the layers, it just blew my mind how much I learned. And that digital course also taught me how to help my business, my existing business, and then how it was also helping me with the digital business, the newness of it. And listen, it helped me so much, it blew my mind. I have actually paid like a $10,000 program. Don't tell my husband, okay? And I have gained more out of this $500 digital course than I did at 10K program for a year. I've learned so much, so many layers, and a small bite size teaching in the modules. Oh, it's wonderful. I completely love it. And the scalability is so great because you can continue to scale, and you can sell. You buy a course, you learn from it, then you earn from it. You can sell it. You sell it one time, you got your money back, right? So then every time else you sell it, that's like house money. Like that, isn't that what people say when they bet? House money. So then you have this money that you can continue to build and profit, and it's 100% profit. It's not a multi-level marketing anything. It is, you buy the course from me, then you sell the course, and then you continue to sell it and scale, and then you can add different digital products to it. So that's how you're able to scale it. Okay, and then you're going to just learn so much in the course. You're going to learn so much as digital. You learn more about digital products. You're going to learn more about the customer service, the business management, all of that. And I'm telling you, it is awesome. I really want you to get into it. And also, I do have it available, my digital products. You can break it down into payments. I do have a firm and the other payment plans you can get into. I say invest in yourself. If you invest in yourself and you do the work, you put it in and you follow the instructions from the course, believe me, you will make your money back and so much more. It has changed my life, and it blows my mind because I didn't have to go to college for digital marketing, and it has changed my life, and I want it to change yours. So go ahead and click the link in the show notes. Click on the website and you'll see a toolkit, and then you can choose your products that you want to start with. I suggest the course because it's a one-stop shop. Everything is in the course, but it's up to you. But if you have gained any insight or have learned anything, I would love for you to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and I'll be with you more. And also, I'm going to be showing you how I'm scaling my YouTube page as well for monetization, and I'll be sharing some tips from here too. But in the meantime, listen, we got to get to this digital money, so go ahead and click on the website. Let's get going. And one thing that I will do for you as well, I will mentor you. You can join my mentorship group. I will do that for you for a limited time. Once you buy a digital product, I will hold your hand and help you and answer any questions and support you and guide you for free. What? So all you have to do is invest in yourself, in the product, so we can get this done. So I will look forward to seeing you in another video. Love, peace, hair grease.